Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have MacBook and you want to scan any other QR code using your MacBook, so in this video we will see three different platforms so you can use one of them and solve your problem. So how to scan QR code using your Mac? Let's see. So this is the QR code. This QR code is my personal LinkedIn profile QR code. So how to scan this QR code? It's very easy. First platform comes here in ZXING decoder online. Using this platform you can very easily scan any types of QR code. So I just simply select here the QR code. Where is my QR code? And just simply say submit. So look at this here, raw text is coming here. The QR code are providing which URL is available on this QR code. I just simply copy this URL and paste here. So my LinkedIn account, if I paste here, it's easy, my LinkedIn account is open. Second platform comes here, wwebqr.com. I already added this link in video description. You click and come to the here directly. Here the QR code scanner, just simply choose the QR code. This is my QR code and same QR code providing me this URL. If I click here, and this QR code are introducing in my LinkedIn account. It's easy. Third and last option, I just simply come to the here in Google and type here QR journal, enter. So first link is display here. I click here. So this application is available on official app store. So using this process, you should download this application. App store. I just simply download this application and just simply installation is going on. Wait couple of seconds. It's very small application. I just simply open this application and here the scan or import. I just simply say import here. Look at this here. I just provide here QR code and here the link is showing. If I click here, open this link. So directly which types of information available on this link we can see here. So this is the simple process to access QR code in your Mac laptop. You should apply the same process in Windows laptop as well. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.